Okay guys, today's idea is on Euclidean geometry, one of my favorite topics, okay? There we go. We have a center, a circle, okay? And we will then have, say we have a chord, okay? If you don't know what a chord is, guys, go on to our previous ideas, you'll see what a chord is. Let's call it chord AB, okay? This is called AB. We know it's a chord because it's drawn from one point of the circumference to the other point of the circumference, okay? Let's say this particular circle has a center at this particular point, okay? So this is what happens. If a perpendicular line, guys, is drawn from the center of the circle towards the chord, remember we said if a perpendicular line, so it has to be perpendicular. That means it forms a 90 degrees with the chord. This is what we can conclude if something like this happens. We can then conclude that this line, okay, segment is equal to this line segment this side. So if this was 3 units from here to there, this means from here to there is also 3 units. I hope this makes sense, guys. This is today's idea, and I hope you catch it. Keywords. If a perpendicular line, it's not just a line. If a perpendicular line, it needs to be perpendicular, drawn from the center towards the chord. It cuts the chord into 2 parts. It bisects the chord. It cuts the chord into 2 equal parts. This is equal to that. If this chord was 6 units, that means it's now divided into 3 and 3. I hope that makes sense. That's today's idea. I hope you've enjoyed it. Cheers.